Hello, bonjour, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is me, your little YouTuber Gargi. Today I am in Gujarat and I am going to visit Statue of Unity in Ekta Nagar. So now let's go. So on the way we were so famished, so we decided to eat something, and so we are at a restaurant. And this time we're traveling with group, and we are really very hungry and all are taking their seats.
अविनाश भाऊ, काय मागवले तुम्ही?
मी गुजराती थाळी मागवली.
बरं, काय काय याच्यात?
त्याच्यामध्ये 3 प्रकारच्या भाज्या आहेत, एक स्वीट आहे, लोणचं आहे, 3 चपात्या आहेत, राईस आहे आणि छास आहे.
अच्छा. आणि गुलाबजामुन पण दिसतोय मला. शिल्पा, तू काय मागवलेस?
मी पावभाजी मागवली आहे, त्याची फेवरेट.
Gargi, I think you have also ordered for Gujarati thali.
Yes.
The same like Avinash Kaka. So, what are you eating now?
I'm hungry, I'm starving. I just I guess Papa liked the food. The food was super sweet. At a certain point I felt that they have added sugar syrup of gulab jamun. Just imagine. The food was sweet and not so good. At some point I really felt that they have added sugar syrup of gulab jamun in that curries.
काय मागवलंय?
डिलक्स थाली.
काय?
डिलक्स थाली, डिलक्स.
काय काय होतं त्याच्यात? मला वाटतं खाऊन झालंय का?
त्याच्यामध्ये 6 फुलके, पहिले 3च होते, 4 80 ॲडिशनल फुलके, 3 भाजी, दाल, राईस, पनीर, 1 स्वीट, 1 फरसाण, बस.
जेवण ओव्हरऑल कसं, गोड आहे का कसं आहे? गुजराती थाळी आहे ती खूपच गोड आहे, पण आता मला असं वाटलं ही जरा पंजाबी किंवा नॉर्थ स्टाईल असेल तर साधारण गोडच आहे. अर्जुन, तुला कसं वाटलं? बरं, प्रामाणिकपणे एवढं काही चांगलं नाही आहे. ठीक आहे, चलो. आता आपण आलो आहे सिद्धेश भाऊंकडे. सपत्नीक बसलेत, ते खायला बघूया त्यांनी काय काय मागवले. काय हे? पनीरची भाजी दिसते आणि रोटी आहे. कसं आहे ओव्हरऑल? गोड आहे का हे पण?
नाही नाही, तिखट आहे.
अच्छा, एवढं गोड नाही. तू काय मागवलंयस? अच्छा, हे कसं आहे? आंबट गोड आहे का फक्त गोड आहे?
The food was not so good, but fine. Energy thodi aali, and now I will connect with you all when I will reach at our destination. Now finally we are at Statue of Unity, and now I'm super excited to view it from here. I am super excited and eager to see world's largest statue. This is the laser show at Statue of Unity. In this laser show, they show the struggle of Bharatiya independence and the work done by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The work of laser show is incredibly shown here. After visiting Statue of Unity, we headed off to Narmada Aarti. It was so soothing and peaceful, just calmness. After Narmada Aarti, we went towards hotel. We all were so drained out, because of which we had a dinner and then we played and slept.
In the next day morning, before visiting the wildlife sanctuary, we had a scrumptious breakfast. It's a pineapple juice along with some bread and butter. Then we enjoy hot steaming porous idli. And the sambar was so delicious, like loaded with lots of vegetables. Here we have a coconut chutney. Then we have a puri. Here we have chole. Here we have hot steaming upma. Cups over here. It's a tea.
Now we have reached to Wildlife Sanctuary. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Rise and Shine. Today I am at Jungle Safari and I am super excited to visit here. And now let's go. Here the first sanctuary starts with birds. There are different species of birds. After birds, we can also see a lot of animals here. There were monkeys, then elephants, and many more. Our roaming here was going so well, but because of climate change, there was sudden rainstorm, and because of which we were not able to visit the other species of animals. And with this, our trip to Gujarat was finished. We'll connect you all soon. Jai Shri Ram.